Oh, well, hey, so here we are. We're here. I don't know what else to say. So we got the fitment up a little better. So bumper slides over these for putting it on and off. In the beginning, it was a little tight. I had to kind of hammer on it a little bit, but now, so that makes it a little easier getting it on and off for mock-up. Obviously, I got the aluminum fair lead with the hole. It's notched all the way through. I got the winch back on there so you can kind of eyeball where the cable's going to run. I might have to move this up just a hair because I don't want it to be like pushing up on this. So I don't know yet. I might have to adjust that a little bit, but I think we're pretty good. Got the bevels on. I kicked the corners in just a little bit. I'm going to cap those, and let's see. Yeah, we'll have to cap the ends, weld this seam. I'm going to weld all the way around here. This is like going way better than I really thought it was going to. I've struggled in the past on some of my little fabrication projects, just not really thinking ahead, just being like in the moment thinking, oh, this is going to work great, but not realizing that the next step in the process, I wasn't paying attention and I kind of hurt myself. So at any rate, yeah, there was a lot of sitting and thinking, a lot of measuring, and things just kind of are going together a little smoother than I really thought, honestly. So yeah, don't be afraid to sit down and get a piece of paper and do some measuring and run a bunch of numbers and think about it for a minute before you go ahead and think about the next step in the process and how that's going to affect what you're doing, or what you're doing now is going to affect that. Okay, so I got this angle here, I think where I want it. So I took my little angle gauge doodad here and rolled over to this one, pulled a bunch of measurements, marked it out, and I think we got her. I only had to do a couple of cuts on that one. Right. Thanks for following. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share with a friend, ring the bell for notifications. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you guys think about this. Would you guys go through all this to have a rear winch? Anyways, thanks for following. Don't forget, get out, get your hands dirty, have some fun. We'll talk to you guys later. Thank you.